Hi, this is MikoCG, and today I will show you yet another way how to remove your default cube. Why? Well, because you already failed 10 times. And it's weird and amazing at the same time. Well, let's try it again. So, we open the new Blender file in the new version of Blender 3.0.0 General, and we have our default cube. This is our enemy, and we want it to be removed. What can we do today? Well, we already used keyframes. We used the location and the scale. So today, let's try rotation. Rotation is, well, functionally really similar to those two. You will set the rotation angle A, rotation angle B, and it will rotate from A to B. Let's show it. So, like in the last time, press the I key and you will see the rotation. There is also location and rotation that we will use later, but now use rotation. Now we have set the rotation keyframe to the frame 1, and let's go for example frame 100, set the end to 100 as well, and now you can press R on your keyboard and X to lock it on the X-axis and rotate it. You can see on the right in the orange field that this number is changing. This is the rotation on the X-axis. And we want some high number, for example 2000, 3000. And you can either do it like this, rotate it like this, or you can even write the right number right here. Let's go with 2500. And now you can either use this pop-up menu once again, or click this little button right here. This will add the keyframe as well, as you can see. Now when you play it, it rotates. But as you can see, it slows down at the end and is starting very slowly at the beginning, and that's not what we wanted. We want it to go fast. So we have to go from timeline to graph editor, and in this you can normalize your graph, and you will see these 2 points of the red line. This is your x-axis rotation, and you can see that they are using Bezier curves, and we don't want that. So we have to choose these points, go to key, interpolation mode, and linear. Now when we play the animation, you can see that it spins in linear speed or rotation, something. It doesn't slow down, and that's what we want. Okay. And now what do we need else to move it on this axis right here? We need to change the location. We already talked about the location keyframe, so basically just put location keyframe here, okay, and go to point 100, go to somewhere like this, keyframe, and bye. Oh no, bye. Oh no, it's back. Bye. It's rolling away. Good, this is good, but as always, let's make it a little faster so it get out of our sight as fast as possible. So the cube, find the keys, and let's move it to 50 maybe. Great. But it's not going too far away, so let's change it a bit. Go to frame 50 to change the frame 50 location. you need to be in that specific frame to change it, okay? Don't forget this. This is very important information. Very importanto. So now, let's move it even further. Okay, well, that's too much. Let's do it like this. Minus 2000. And double click this. Okay. If it's yellow, it's set. If it's orange, it's not set. Remember this as well. If it's green, it was never even touched by us. That's fast. And I like it. Okay. Great, great, great. Let's make it faster as always. Just grab this, go here, frame 10, and amazing, isn't it? It's beautiful. Huh, but it's still visible at frame 5. Not at 6. So, let's move this to 5. Visible at 3, invisible at 4. Let's move this to 2. Invisible in an instant. That's what we want. And do you know how to make it even better? Take this keyframe and place it over this keyframe. And now the full cube is forever gone at those locations that are outside of our view. Great, amazing, isn't it? Right, let's hide it totally so we won't see it anymore. Visibility, okay, everything is gone, good, your default cube is gone. You have won this fight, and if the default cube will return once again, well, you have to watch the part 12 and we will try it again, okay? Don't forget to visit part 12 or try any different part that you may not have tried, okay? I'm here for you. So let's beat the default cube. Bye!